Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we have a RE launch event, so we are heading out. I'm heading out to that. Pranay will join me on the way. One more friend of us will join, and I am pretty late actually. And about last video, the audio was crap. I agree. That's why I didn't put the second part. I'm going to do something about the audio. I just cut the audio, but the audio was crap. That's why direct jump to this vlog. But anyways, let's get going, and I will see you at the showroom. Vlog करके
हम लोग अटेंडेंस लेंगे अच्छा नहीं लगेगा. You guys can self nominate. Nobody
Yes.
gonna say यार वो चला गया मुझे जाने का मौका नहीं मिला. I'll tell you the best part. Royal Enfield comes out with bikes every quarter, so you can again replace them. Someone else can come back next quarter. Don't worry. Can we have some riding community guys coming forward?
Come in, please join. This is your opportunity to unveil this motorcycle. Please join in.
I would also like to invite the managing director Dhyan Shabhu. This is not your
Louder.
KCC man. This is 650. Let's try it again. 10.
No, 350 this is. Come on, make it 650. We want 650cc power now.
निखिल ट्राई कर लेंगे. 10 9 8
6 5 4 3 2 Wow. Can we have the light, please? Can we have right now? Yeah. You don't have to talk, you don't have to do anything.
Oh, by the way, before we start the game, good luck.
If I can make a little more space here. Yeah, some space there. Can I just help people going? Oh yeah. Oh. So the competition is very simple. You just have to do push-ups. So who sustains the last is going to win. Simple. Okay? And the push-up has to be clean. You can't just do random push-up. And Arpit will demonstrate a clean push-up right now.
Right, exactly. Now that's the punchline.
So if I get
Guys, very simple. लेटना है, हाथों के बल ऊपर उठना है. चलो करो.
No, I'm sure you will give a demo.
Yeah, very nice. I will give a demo. You give me a bike. Guys, I am not a good example for push-ups. What I do is called lazy push-ups.
Can we have you do one push-ups? Yeah, so he will give us a demo of push-ups.
So I think everybody knows what push-ups.
Okay. No, this is very simple. You don't have to shy away of doing this. So let's start.
Actually, you'll be the judge.
Yeah, he'll be the judge.
If you feel anyone is not doing it right,
Then it's called.
Make him do.
guys, take your spices.
Yeah, take your spaces. Please.
Come on.
That was the push-up game right away started. And yeah, you can come with it. Yeah. So yes. So everybody take your position.
Nikhil, there is an expensive bike next to you. Don't push it up. Guys, ready?
Ready? Take your turns. I mean, push-ups. Please. Yes. Wait.
Come on, boy.
Wait. Yes.
Okay.
Wait. On the count of 9.
Come on, boy.
8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, start.
He's ready to do mortal, bro.
Wow. Super. Come on, guys, let's encourage them.
Come on, bro. Come on.
Let's see who's the crowd favorite. Come on.
This is the most silent encouragement we have ever seen, but I like this way as well.
You can do it, bro.
Can we have the louder music?
You give power.
Okay.
आराम से. You got it. You got it. आराम से. You can, man. Come on. You can. Don't give up, bro.
Okay, this is gonna be tough.
Tough one, yes. This is going to be really tough. Let's keep it going, boys. Lucky, come on. You guys are doing really great. Come on. Lucky, come on, guys. Let's encourage them. Lucky. Come on, that's Lucky. Yes, you can do it. Come on. Yes, take down. Focus.
Okay.
Yeah, we've got a winner here. We have a winner here. Fantastic. That was a very good one.
some push-ups.
Nisha, congratulations. You go to the gym every day? Okay, so you
Kai bena Shurwan.
can hold it this way or the other way, whichever is comfortable. And then we will time who can hold this the highest. And let's see all your throttling powers that we've seen all these days. People throttle a lot, right? The forearms, your biceps, shoulders, all are super powerful. Let's see how does it work right now. Yeah. So we will have timer because we have more than 5 people participating. People who want to join later also can join. So we have more than 5 members. So everybody is open to do that. So everyone can become all around the same weight. Around the same bike. So first, okay. So
one
go.
and start. Yeah, this is
amazing.
the Indian cricketers.
Not even 1 second, bro.
Really keeping it really well. Good. Continue. Yes. Lovely, guys. This is fantastic. I didn't think somebody can hold it this long. Wow. Guys, come on, let's enjoy it. When we did this in the morning, oh wow, that was a very good attempt. When we did this in the morning, I think 15 seconds is what we went. This is amazing the way you guys are going. Come on, keep it. Come on. Lovely. Come on, that's the coach then coming in now.
Come on.
It's not just about your arm.
He's waiting for that.
Okay.
It's very heavy, bro. You can hold it.
So we've no, don't show this. 2, 1, go.
He's holding it easily, bro. As if it is nothing. अरे ಗೊತ್ತೇ ಅವನಿಗೆ ಟಾರ್ಚ್ ಬರ್ತಿಲ್ಲ ಬರ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ easy peasy.
This gentleman looks as if he's just holding a stick and very cool. Very good.
Why do you feel like you're watching a version of Bahubali? Nice.
Everyone is taking it easy, bro.
Yeah.
Yeah. No, it wasn't.
Is it the same shockers that we're given?
Yes, it's the same.
Okay, 3 more.
Come on, Alden.
Come on, guys. Lovely.
He's not bugging, bro. Fuck. He's not even glitching.
Straight. Yeah, keep it straight.
You can, bro. Fuck. Hold it. He's not bugging, bro. Shit. Hold. You can. Straight. Alden, one last time. Come on. He's not even glitching, bro. Fuck.
He's out on direct corpus gaadi repaint ku.
He's not even glitching, bro.
No, that's it. Done.
He'll be there for 1 more hour if you.
1 minute.
1 minute 47 seconds. Fantastic. Brilliant track. Come on. So can you have the gift? When I say easy,
I doubt.
Physically demanding. I doubt. These are not going to be difficult.
First one was push-up, second one's holding the shots, third one easy, maybe you have to hold the engine.
Ah.
Or a silencer, I don't know.
Or let me give them the clue.
Yes.
Or you just do a plank. How many of you know how what's plank?
Sure, though.
Yeah. Simple. Plank.
Yes.
Come, anybody can come.
As long as we are more than 3 people, it's called a competition.
I've done
Yes. Oh, 1948 is here.
Yes, fantastic.
Good, yeah.
Oh, lovely.
Bole, bro.
People from gym.
Very hapundu, lightweight.
Not so cheap.
Guys,
Satya, easy hapundu. And good stomach undu mari.
do we have the iron man out here?
Oh, try mal play. Very hapundu. You can do it. Come on.
Create some space and
Yay.
okay. The rules are simple. No bending your ring and continue. No, that's not allowed.
Yankai.
You can't move your hands once you have positioned it in one particular place. You can't bend your hip. Right? I hope these are very clear.
Gym with the cash corridor.
Fine. Please take
See
it.
the valle, showroom valle.
Can you just make some space?
The new gym in town.
Yes.
Sudhika gym. Dumbbells pura shock absorber.
Sudhi, you will be the judge.
Heavy weight ki
You
guard.
are the judge, and we can have two more judges. So that there's a clear.
Guys, don't lag now. Wait, don't
Sorry,
lag.
don't lag, right? Yeah. Okay, let's start. Yeah, 1948.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, and start. Nice.
This looks like a real stay for.
1 minute 30 seconds done.
Come on. Focus, 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 focus. Yes, that's it. Focus, focus. Aram se aapun. Focus man ke. Oh, this is a tough competition, dude.
2.5 minutes done.
This is where the vibration kicks in. 6,000 RPM. Come on, that's fantastic. Still going.
Red line.
Should we announce dinner is open?
This. Oh! 8,250 is when we had to lose. And yeah, immediately followed by that.
3 minutes.
Fantastic, boys.
18
Beautiful.
seconds. 3 minutes,
Very,
18
very
seconds. That was good.
All 5 years effort at one time. Superb. I hope you have a lovely weekend.
I think I'm gonna start gym tomorrow. Congratulations, man. It was really nice. Can we have a gift coming up? He's done push-ups, he's done planks. He's decided gym khatam. I'll come to Royal Enfield showrooms every time there's a launch. Good workout.
The new gym in town.
The new gym
Okay.
in town with instructors who don't know anything.
Okay, now let's test your knowledge about Royal Enfield. Right? A very easy question. So if you know all the variants, tell all the variants. I want the highest number of models that one can memorize and tell. And we'll keep a count of it. This can be a memory game also. Somebody can cheat. So coming first can be an advantages or disadvantages.
Who's the judge for this? Sudhi?
We'll just keep a count of number of models that he's got. That's it. Simple as that. So anybody starting?
Okay, we have here somebody here already lined up. Girish, what's your name? Afan, ready? I'm not gonna count. Sudhi, you'll count now. Do we have a time limit or something?
No. But you can't just block when that's it.
No stutter, no stammer, just go full speed.
250, Lightning 535, Thunderbird 350, Thunderbird 500, GT 650, Bullet Electra, Bullet Standard, Classic 350, One 350, Hunter 350, Meteor 350, Meteor 650, Himalayan 411, Scram 411, Himalayan 450, Scram 450, Flea, Royal Enfield Flea is electric.
Flying feet.
Yes,
That's it,
That's it.
No, it's okay.
How much? 18.
Afan?
Afan.
18.
So we have the current record is 18. So anybody wants to compete that, all you guys have to do is memorize what he did. If you're good at memory
Classic
games.
650, 19 times, come.
So anybody else, come on.
I think I found my guy. I think, yeah, he's all set. He was just waiting for an opportunity.
Yeah.
What's your name, sir? Kaushik, name was not exactly right. We are going to disqualify it
Yeah.
immediately. We're not going to count it.
No. Wait, just take that.
That one out.
That one.
You will be playing with
No.
that.
535. It mentioned as 530.
Ready? So your name?
Manu.
Let's
Manu.
start. 3, 2, 1, start.
Mofa, Flying Flea, Bullet 350, Classic 350, Classic 500, Bullet 500, GT 535, GT 650, Thunderbird 350, Thunderbird 500, Meteor 350, Thunderbird X, Electra 350, and yes, that's
where they come in.
And that was a good effort.
Good one. How much?
Good effort.
13. 13. Nice.
Oh, you were very close. You were very, very close. Oh, fantastic. So can we have anybody else wants to take a chance now? You have just 18 models to tell. Just 18, not much. Anybody? Oh yeah, come on.
Go. Go.
You want to try? Sir?
No. You want to try? Yes. What bike do you ride? What bike do you ride? What bike do you ride? You forgot that one. So we have the winner, ladies and gentlemen.
Yay!
And there is a story. What did you cancel for today's event?
I just cancelled my OT.
See, he's cancelled the OT, you're getting an OT here. No matter. Thank you so much.
Yeah,
Now
come
we have
on,
a game
boy.
again. You'll get 5 jackets.
Unboxing on the spot.
I want 5 people coming here now. Who wears the jacket the fastest? Right? That's the competition. Simple.
Yeah.
You just take the jacket, wear it.
After you take the sandwich, you not get a second chance.
After burning calories, snacks lover pe. Everybody should come.
Okay.
Tule dumbbells.
3, 2, 1, and stop.
This looks like ನಮ್ಮ Joker dapu. Sorry. I'm sorry. Corrected. I'm bad.
This is going strong.
Yeah, so behind me there's a group of Michael Jackson fans who may start dancing right now. They're like this pose. Just a hat is missing.
Yes. There is focused.
See, each one coming up with a new technique to hold it. We have time for the drummer to start.
We will be right back. Bye. See you. Until next time. See you. Ride safe. Undamma gym.
Any other content?
Next need a workout on push-ups on. He rolled it for 5 minutes. Push-ups on. Plank. Holding that. Dumbbell. Pipe. Pura. Yes. Moon.
Sandwich ay mag-sakit lang din. Ay, tutupin to do.
Bye.
The hands, fingers, is held it wrong.
1, go.
Easy.
Okay, let's take a break. What do you think is the time going to be?
Below 3 minutes.
Okay, so we have an accurate 2.50.
Morning.
1 minute 40 seconds.
Okay, everyone's around the same mark. Beat it this time.
Now that's how we motivate people, right?
4 minutes.
Yeah, that's how we motivate them.
If Niran Motor ever needs a model to sell helmets, you can call this guy.
We have multiple people now. By now we already sampled all of them.
Each, if 3 minutes also this time, we have models for 1 hour.
No better, yes. No better governments.
ಚೂರು ಅಲ್ಪ ಒಂದು ತೊಡ್ ಮಾ ರೋಡ್
Yeah, we can't make this game so simple.
breathe
You need to burn your arms.
breathe oxygen send oxygen
2 minutes, 50 seconds to reach.
No, that was some motivation. Some motivation.
few more seconds wait
No, that's not.
we'll call it a night.
Okay, so can we have all the people who are here currently on the stage?
my riding community.
And thank you so much.
Okay. So one hour to sign for a pose.
Yes.
Can you believe that we have spent almost close to 3 hours here now? Close to 3 hours.
Quality time.
Quality time.
8 seconds.
3 minutes bro by 4 seconds the pain
एक्सपोला है ना उसको ढूंढे अभी
Okay, it's time to pose.
So can we have all of them here? All of them.
90 part time
Thank you everyone. Thank you so much for joining this lovely evening. And You guys are a great audience. So we'll meet you soon for the next launch. Until the next video. Niran Motors. Yeah? Collab. And the contest people, you still have some time. You can spend time with your motorcycles, take some photos, send the collab, and you can win more gifts. You've already won a lot of them. You can have some more gifts. And this one is bigger than what you've already got. So 1 week time, get the highest number of likes, and you will stand a chance to win a good gift. And thank you everyone. Peace out. Have a lovely weekend. Thank you so much. We had a lovely time at Niran Motors. Big shout out to Niran Motors.
And bro, ನಾನು ಜಿಮ್ ಮಾಡಿ
Next event.
next. Okay guys, so I won this for some quiz. With a retake in the first time it went off. Camera didn't record. What all we spoke. No, I can't recreate it. So we're just going to end it. And ನನ್ನನ್ನು ದೂರ ಟ್ರೇಲ್ಸ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಕೊಡತ್ತ
Itte, no.
ಇತ್ತೆ ಆಯ್ತು ಮಾರೆ
Sooner.
soon we will get back.
It'll be crazy. We are coming back, guys.
Yes, and if you want to go join a gym, join this place. Full workout today, full workout. Okay, niku end undi sandwich la korperu tindre juice la undu. So come join this gym Niran Motors ge set undu. Okay guys, see you, bye bye.